closer, hurry up. Okay, hi guys, me and my sister Tash, we're going to be doing a competition. So we're going to be making cakes and may the best person win. We've both got the exact same ingredients, but even though it's the exact same ingredients, we're going to see who can make it the best. So you guys enjoyed. So we're making strawberry cakes. So I'm going to show you just my ingredients because it's practically the same as hers. But even though it's the same ingredients, we made it best cake one anyway. So the ingredients we're using, well I'm using, we're using the exact same ingredients, so I don't need to show you hers. 1 egg, about 4 tablespoons of flour, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, about that much of water, not even that much, and yogurt. Okay, and she's going to be using the exact same ingredients, so let's get started. So the first thing, you just get started. We're both going to do, bring your egg and cup over here. What we're going to do is crack our egg. So get your egg up, get your bowl up. No, that's the table. And she just did the same thing. Over there. Mama, do a video. You can do it.
No! Are you trying to deliberately go on my mouth? No. Look at the bowls.
Oh my god!
And the flour is going to make mess.
I'm not going to make mess. You're going to
By the Addie's coming later. Are you going to help her clean it?
Yeah.
No, she never. You can still carry on with the video. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. So, we just cracked the egg, because we're forward on iMovies. Just cracked the egg, and you only need 1 egg for this. So, she's just going to carry on with hers, and I'm going to carry on with mine, because it's a competition, we don't do it together. Can you just carry on if you just carry on if you do it like you want to, it's your choice. So, I'm going to mix the, not mix the egg. Now, get the 1 spoon in from the kitchen. Sorry, she's going to do it her way and put in her own stuff, so she's not going to copy me even though it's the exact same ingredients because it's a competition. And I'm so sorry about that disturbance. So now I'm going to adding, sorry about that, it's just Hoover. So now I'm going to open the flour. I've got a lot here because I love baking. Sorry about that. This was so hard to open. Open this.
Okay.
Sorry about that, I'm just going to open the flour and you put 4 teaspoons of flour in, okay? And just to say, I want to do videos on this channel when I have cooking stuff to bake. Okay, so you get 4, do what you want, you don't have to copy me, because it's competition. Okay, so to me you get 4 leveled tablespoons of flour and put them into the thingy, and they've got to be leveled. And 4. So that's the 4th tablespoon. So now after you put the tablespoon of flour in, I'm going to add not all this water, just a wee bit. Just like a tiny bit of water. And then after you add the water, add about that much of sugar. Don't copy me, please. And after you've added the sugar, you will mix it just so it's nice and all cooperated. And if you feel you need to, you can add more water. Okay, so I'm just mixing this about, and I think it needs a wee bit more water. So while I'm mixing that, you can see how my sister's doing. So you go up here.
No.
Yes, I'm not going to just do me. What?
I don't want to be in
boy have been. So you just mix that in because my sister doesn't want to be on camera anymore. But she's still doing the competition, don't worry. And we'll tell you at the end who wins. Okay. So as you see, I'm just, oh, it smells delightful. I'm just mixing mine in. So it's nice and no lumps. Just adding a wee bit more water because it's very picky this year. Not this year, obviously I make way more than just 1 year. Okay. Oh yeah, and if you've got your laptop beside you, try not to make any mess on it because you don't want like to break or something, do you? So you just mix that flour in.